everybody, this is Mark from the Geek Church, and this is our second part of our Poly review. Poly being a offshoot company of HP, makes a lot of great accessories. This here is the Sync 20 Plus, some kind of a speakerphone or kind of, big speaker thing that you put in there. Anyway, we're going to be opening this up, trying this out after this. Let's just get down to business. We're going to be opening this up, so I figured we might as well just, open it up. Okay, want to make sure we get this in the shot, and yeah. All right, so what do we got here? Not what I expected here. Okay, we got a cool little dongle here with the instructions kind of clipped to it. Did not really expect this. This dongle thing is just kind of stuck on there, a little bit of paste. Yeah, I could make it stand up if I wanted to. Yeah. Anyway, there I just put it in and just try it out. Well, first of all, I got to see if there's more battery here. But you can also see it comes with a little thing here, like a little pouch. Too bad I can't put it on my belt or something like that. But hey, maybe I'd look like I don't know, if I had like a bunch of these pouches, I'd look like some 90s superhero. Anyway, what else is in the box here? Well, I'm seeing this thing. Oh, hey. Looks like it's got an attachment for the USB-C as well. Not to mention this little, I don't know, what do you call that? A lanyard? This thing that you put on that you can use it on your wrist? I guess we'll try it with that. Let's open this first. Okay, so let's just see what this is. All right, it's kind of what I was expecting. We reviewed Poly products before, and I think we reviewed a product like this. It may have been in pink. My memory might be wrong on that. I'm gonna have to put a link in there to see if my memory is correct. But here it is so far, and oh, hello. Oh, okay. It's got this wire here, which is kind of cool. I guess if I just wanted to go wired, I could, right? So, setup done. Right now, I connected it to my laptop. You probably can see it in the shot. Okay, the battery's low, but hopefully hopefully it's charging now. So, guess that won't matter, right? I mean, hey. Doesn't really say how to set it up, but it says first time source, connect it to, oh, hello. I could just connect that to that. So I guess we could do all kinds of things. And yeah, it looks like this dongle is set up for wireless usage. Just out of curiosity, I just happened to be, at my last Poly review, I was playing a video, and I still have the video here. I wonder if it's just gonna go through the speaker here. Let's find out. Yeah, it didn't. Okay. Probably would have to do something like pairing it or something. Yeah, I'm not hearing it from there. Okay. Oh, maybe I need to turn it on. That might be a possibility. Okay, so let's just try turning this on. Assuming it's...
Power off.
Oh, okay. It was actually on in the first place. So...
Battery low.
Yeah, I know the battery's low. Okay. But you're on, so that's good news. Okay, it looks like there's a USB port here, so I guess if I wanted to charge something with that, I could. Do I have to do a Bluetooth? Can I just program this? You know what? I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to see if I can't. Actually, maybe it did it automatically. Still didn't do it automatically. All right. Okay, you know what? I'm curious. I get very curious about stuff sometimes, so I'm going to see if I just can't run the sound through this thing. Not that maybe this might not be what it's really designed to do, but I just want to see if I can do it. Okay, I had to go into my speakers in order to do that, but let's check this out. It's all going there. Turn the sound down. Okay. Is there a play pause button on here or something like that? There's a mute button. Okay, obviously that mute button only works on the thing because I can still hear sound coming from it. So hey, but as a speaker it works pretty well, but this isn't designed to be that type of speaker, is it? So let's get down to the nitty gritty. Okay, I'm going to do another little experiment. By the way, also while I was turning up the music, I discovered that there's this kind of interesting volume indicator with these lights on the side, which I like a lot. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do something where I'm going to unplug this thing from my computer and I'm going to insert the dongle.
Power off.
Okay, so it says power off. Now, earlier I think there was a warning that there was a battery low, so that kind of makes a lot of sense. Let's see if it'll recognize it in spite of not kind of having Battery life? Let's see.
Battery low.
Okay, so the battery's low.
PC connected.
PC connected, all right. I wonder if it'll do what I was doing last time as proof. No, not really. Okay, these things are not really. I probably have to do a bit of a modification to make sure that, because that sound is coming from the computer, even though you can't. I could have fooled you on this. You don't know what the sound is coming from, but it's not coming from the speaker. I can tell you that much. Okay, I actually got it into. Okay, basically when I unhooked it and put the dongle in there, I basically had to tell my computer that, hey, you need to use this as the output of sound, and now it works pretty well. By the way, there is a play pause button on this that I didn't know about, so hey, obviously there's a lot you can really do with this. I'm just getting started. Okay, so check this out. I've got this thing hooked up to my phone now, and I'm going to make some phone calls. There's going to be some business phone calls. So this ought to be a lot of fun.
Thank you for calling Porsche Spokane. This is Rochelle speaking. How may I direct your call?
Oh, Rochelle. Hey, is Ben Olson here today?
He is. Can I ask who's calling?
Yes, this is Mark Rollins. We met the other day. Yeah. So, terrific.
Sure. All right, give me 1 second. Hold on.
Go for it.
Thank you.
Hold music. Not picking up. Maybe not picking up.
You've reached Ben Olson.
Yep. Guess I'll leave a message.
Leave your name and number. Get back to you as soon as possible.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Hey Ben, this is Mark Rollins. I was in the other day and got to test drive a Porsche, and I made a video of it on YouTube. I don't know if you've seen it yet. Have a good day. Bye. Now that is a call. Yeah, I do a lot of business here, so I figured I might as well just use something like this. However, there is something else I can use. In the next video, I'll show you that. Okay, so not only can it work with your phone, but and your computer, but I want to go through some of the specs now. The speaker size is about 40 millimeter, so I'll let you know if that's a good size for you. Definitely does some pretty powerful music output. I was actually kind of surprised by that. There's also, oh yeah, the battery life is up to 20 hours of talk time. So now, I think when I was doing this, it kept warning me that the battery's low, and I think it's probably going to give me another warning. But hey, I just took it out of the box, so that just makes sense. The wireless range is up to 30 meters, so that's pretty good. I haven't really tried out the Bluetooth stuff yet. Maybe I should do that. You know what? I'm just going to try that right now. Okay, just to let you know, I basically put this in pairing mode. So I'm trying to see if my computer's going to recognize it. Sometimes it does it right away, and sometimes it does not, which is kind of a thing. And looks like it does recognize it, which is
Pairing
good.
successful.
Pairing successful. All right. So how's our video? How's our output then? Oh yeah. Once again, shoot. There's always this delay, isn't there?
PC connected.
Okay, now we're good. Okay, let's try it now. Really? Come on, you told me you were connected. Come on. Do I have to tell my computer that this needs to be connected? I'll bet I do. Oh boy, here we go. Yep, I had to tell my computer that this was connected. So it does work. You might have to do a little bit of just to make sure. Just tell your computer how this is. Over communicate. That's what being poly is. You over communicate and you be honest. It occurs to me that the last thing I just said could be reinterpreted another way. You know what? If you want to interpret it that way, go ahead. If you know, you know. Hashtag, you know what? I'm not going to do that. Okay, so we've got this thing here, and if you want to get it, you can. You can get it right on the HP site for about $119.99. pretty good price, and yeah, you're going to be able to do a lot with it. For now, this is Mark from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.